Hello, my name is Solomia and I'm a third-year student of Lviv Polytechnic University, Computer Science. Today I'm going to show you my work in computer graphics. So, the aim of my work was to build a 3D detail, make rendering and also the animation of it. I've chosen a toy plane, and I'll start from the surface. Here you can see the surface. It's made of grass and it's just a way for a plane to move on. Now the fuselage. Here is the fuselage. It's the main part of all the plane. Here is a place for the pilot and also some holes for the wings and for the tail of the plane. Here is the place for propeller. Okay, here is the first part of the tail. This is the vertical. And also the horizontal one. As you see, it looks like this. Now, here you can see a lower wing of the plane and the upper wing. Here are just some holders for the wings. So I'll show it like this. Then you can see the landing gear. It's just for wheels. Now the axle for the wheels. Also the wheels. And as you see, some holders for them here. So now here is the pilot. As you can see, it's not the same material as all of the plane because it's glass and it's the wood. Also some another holders, as you see. And now the crossbar for the wings to hold on to each other. Some another holders and also the motor, as you see. And there will be a propeller and I'm going to show you it. So now it looks like this. It's a propeller which is going to rotate when the animation will be. And also there are some mirrored components. As you see, now we have two of the crossbars and other components mirrored. And also I've made the animation of the toy plane moving. Here it is. As you can see, it's just moving and the propeller is rotating. Thank you for your attention. Bye.